welcome back to Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. I'm Dustin, and today I got a special product in the mail from a company called Yanwen. It's the griddle cover for the Blackstone. It's the 36 inch, and they sent it to me. They've been emailing me, and they said, hey, if I send you this, will you do a review on it? I said, absolutely, because I've been thinking about getting one of these silicone mats. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so you can see this right here. It comes packaged really nice. Like I said, the company is called Yanwen. It's Y-A-N-W-E-N. They have a lot of other things on their online store to sell. They're on Amazon. But let's open this thing up. Wow. It's nice and thick. First thing you notice when you grab a hold of it. Alright, so come on up here and look at this. You can see that it's textured. It's a nice thick silicone mat, so it's a really nice one. It feels great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place it over top of our Blackstone here. Alright, so we're going to take her over here and throw her on the grill, or on the Blackstone. And I'll tell you what, the first thing just falls right in place. It's an absolute perfect fit. You can see right here on the corners, I mean, they've got it to where the size is just right. It lays down up on the sides, lays down on the back. So yeah, that's one thing. That's awesome. That's the first thing I just noticed. It just kind of felt like a puzzle piece in place. It just boom. So it feels great, nice and thick. Fits amazing. Looks good. And you know, right now you can kind of see outside here how it's kind of rainy or something like that. And I plan on using this later on today. I could leave this on here right now without any fear of it coming down and the water getting onto my surface. So yes, I like that a lot. I wonder if it'll work with my lid. I don't know why you'll ever do it with both, but yeah. If you got one with the lid, just kind of, it'll act like a secondary protection. So yeah, that works out all right. I like it a lot. Alright, so that was my review on the Yanwen griddle cover 36 inch. Now they have the other sizes, and plus they have other things on their store. So go over there on Amazon and check them out. It's Y-A-N-W-E-N, Yanwen. And see, their prices are great. Their prices are better than the one that I was looking to buy. I was in the process of looking to buy one, and I got an email with this. I was like, hey, yeah, I'll absolutely review your product if you send it to me. And I'm glad I did, because it's everything I thought it would be. It's very handy. So get on there and check them out. Thank you all for watching, and I will be back with another cooking video pretty soon. Y'all have a great day.